students, welcome back. In this series, we are studying class 12, chapter 5, continuity and differentiability, exercise 5.4. Exercise 5.4. In the previous video, we have completed question 1 to 4. We will continue from question number 5. So, question number 5. Log cos e to the power x. This is very simple question. First, we treat the question as a log x. Okay, y is equals to log cos e to the power x. पहले हमने log को देखा तो क्या होगा d by dx of y differentiating with respect to x. ये सेंटेंस सबसे पहले आप लिखेंगे. Then d by dx of y, that is dy by dx, d by dx of log cos e to the power x. Okay. Then what will happen? D by dx of log x. What is the differentiate of log x? 1 by x. So 1 upon cos e to the power x. So you said 1 upon x, then you are writing cos e to the power x. Just see here, the theta of log here, the x of log is cos e to the power x. That's why I have written 1 upon x. Okay, 1 upon cos e to the power x. Next, d by dx of cos e to the power x. Cos e to the power x, differentiate of cos is minus sign. Okay, minus sign e to the power x upon cos e to the power x. Again, theta of cos is e to the power x. Then we will differentiate d by dx of e to the power x. And here, sin upon cos will be tan e to the power x. Right? And the differentiate of e to the power x will be e to the power x only. And differentiate of x will be 1. So this is the answer, minus e to the power x tan e to the power x. This will be the answer. Okay. The next question is e to the power x up to e to the power 5, x to the power 5. This is for you as like question number 3. You will complete question number 6. सभी को अलग अलग पार्ट में डिवाइड कर लीजिएगा. e to the power x, e to the power x square, x cube, x की पावर 4 एंड e to the power x की पावर 5. इस तरह से आप 5 पार्ट में d by dx करते रहेंगे प्लस लगाकर, तो डिफरेंशिएट वेरी इजी होगा, बहुत इजी हो जाएगा. जैसे हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 किया प्रीवियस वीडियो में, आप देखकर देख लीजिएगा, उस तरह से क्वेश्चन होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, e to the power root x, root e to the power root x. या वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, अंडर रूट e to the power root x where x is not equals to 0, greater than 0. Where x is always greater than 0. Yes, कंपल्सरी कंडीशन है. क्यों? क्योंकि अगर x greater than 0 नहीं होगा तो यहाँ अगर 0 होगा तो फिर 1 हो जाएगा क्वेश्चन, और अगर माइनस की वैल्यू होगी तो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर बनेगा. इसलिए कंडीशन होना जरूरी है कि x is greater than 0. Okay. This again y. So differentiating with respect to x. What will happen here? First we go to the question. पहला हमें क्या दिखा? That is root x. रूट के फॉर्म में दिखा सर, तो रूट में जानता हूँ d by dx of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Okay. dy upon dx is d by dx of this function under root e to the power root x. So what will happen here? 1 upon 2 root e to the power root x. Right. Then dy dx of e to the power root x. Next to this, again e to the d by dx of e to the power x. You know very well, 1 upon 2 root e to the power root x. Differentiate of e to the power root x will be e to the power root x only, and d by dx of root x. Next to e to the power root x will be root x. Then d by dx of root x. So answer of this question will be e to the power root x upon 2 root e to the power root x into 1 upon 2 root x. Differentiate of root x will be 1 upon 2 root x, and finally dx upon dx will be 1. That's why I am not writing there. This will be the answer. ये अपना आंसर होगा. Okay. Next, log x हो जाएगा, इजीली हो जाएगा, no problem. कैसे होगा इस पे बात करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, dy dx of y is equals to log x. x is again greater than 1 क्योंकि हमारे पास फिर पूरा क्वेश्चन 0 होने की पॉसिबिलिटी, 1 आंसर आने की पॉसिबिलिटी, इसलिए d upon dx of y, अगेन मैंने पहले से मान लिया y एंड dy dx लगा दिया है और यहाँ लिख दिया डिफरेंशिएटिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x। dy upon dx तो है ही सही, यहाँ लिख दिया dy upon dx। dy dx of log x क्या होता है, 1 upon x, so 1 upon log x and dy dx of log x। इसके पहले इस लॉग को देखा हमने, देखो फर्स्ट वी हैव यूज्ड दिस लॉग, then log x, so 1 upon x, so x will be log x, and next to this will be d by dx of these log x, then 1 upon x, okay, 1 upon log x into 1 upon x, and again d by dx of x will be 1, so 1 upon x log x is the answer. Next question, cos x upon log x. So next question will be here. Just wait. Question number 9. Cos x upon log x. X greater than 0. This is y. In which form the given question is? This is in the form of u upon v, right? Then we will apply the formula of u upon v, and we know how to differentiate cos x, and also we know how to differentiate log x. Then simply we can complete this question. So differentiating with respect to x, dy upon dx is equals to, I am directly applying the formula for that, log x whole square, log x d by dx of cos x. I have applied the formula of numerator upon denominator. Okay, denominator square, denominator d by dx of numerator minus numerator d by dx of denominator. Log x, sorry, cos x d by dx of log x. So finally, the answer will be log x into sin x. But differentiate of cos x is minus sin x, then minus will be here, minus cos x, and here d by dx of log x. The d by dx of log x is 1 upon x, so 1 by x upon log x whole square. This will be the answer. After that you can take the LCM of these x and you will multiply from here, and next step of this question will be the answer. Last question of the exercise. Last question of the exercise is question number 10. Cos log x plus e to the power x, where x is greater than 0. Where x is greater than 0. Okay. So how we will complete this question? This is y. Again differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, then what will happen? You have to write the line this, differentiating with respect to x. Okay, d by dx of cos, d by dx of cos log x plus e to the power x. First, as I entered in the question, I saw cos. What is the differentiate of cos? It's minus sign, so minus sign log x plus e to the power x, d by dx of log x plus e to the power x. This is the theta of this cos, that's why I am using d by dx of log x plus e to the power x. Okay, so minus sign log x plus e to the power x, and d by dx of this question will be d by dx of log x, what? 1 upon x, 1 upon x plus d by dx of e to the power x, that is e to the power x only. So this will be the answer. Okay, we will continue in the next video. This exercise is completed in this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.